So very warm welcome to K2 Systems. Hello everybody. My name is Marco. I do international business development. So speaking of international, our company is located in almost all continents. We have entities, of course, in Germany, all over Europe. We have entities in the US, in California, in Mexico, Brazil, and also South Africa. We have done installations in more than 120 countries. So we are pretty global, and we know about the roof types and the roof challenges all over the world. We have done more than 8 gigawatt installations all over the world, so that makes us one of the big guys in this industry. We are in the business since 2004, and today I would like to introduce some new developments to you. First of all, some products that we have here, but also our digital services that become more and more interesting and important to us. So what we have here is a flat roof system. We call it the dome system. It is a modular system for both for south orientation and also for east-west orientation. What is very special about it, it is available in 10-degree and also in 15-degree inclination. As I mentioned, it's modular, so most of the components are the same for both systems. What is very innovative about it, the ballast can be placed directly into the rails, so it's an integrated ballast tray. And what is also very special is this black piece here. It is the protection mat that is between the layer of the roof and the whole system. Very special about it is the honeycomb structure in here. So all the movement, the thermal expansion of the aluminium or when the wind attacks on this array will not be transferred to the roof layer. This rubber part here is compensating this movement. So that makes us very special on this one. Then I would like to have your attention on the other side where we have the solutions for the pitched roof. So typical pitched roof systems are trapezoidal metal sheet, of course tile roofs, standing seam roofs. So all these kind of roofs, they differentiate each other a little bit in the different markets, but all in all we have solutions for all these roof types. So yeah, to summarize it, it's quick and it's easy. We always keep it simple for our customers. Now for these kind of roofs, it is very important to have a detailed planning to know what is the loads on the roof and to have the right solution. Therefore, I would like to bring you guys to our screen over there. My colleague is waving already. We go over and see how we plan such a project for you. Let's go over there. This is our calculation tool. We call it BASE. You can remember it's like a base camp. So from there we start to, before we climb the mountain, we start in the base camp. We make a new project. The whole program, it is free of charge. You can use it yourself. You don't need to download anything. It's web-based. So just register with your email and play around a little bit. No worries. Nothing can go wrong. It is based on Google Maps, so you just choose a location, just choose any location. So we just pick one of those roofs. This is our company, what you can see here. Then we go over and define the roof. So very easy. Just that's it. Then you type in the basic informations, building height, and so on. The friction coefficient is a very important information because it means how slippery is the roof. I mean, how much friction is the roof bringing against the wind that is trying to attack on the force. Then we go on and define what kind of module we want to use for this project. We have a huge database here. You can also define it by yourself. And then we define the module array. We choose from the different systems. So what you can see here, the program is calculating, and now we have the layout of the panels. Of course, you can define a lot of details. You can have all the obstructions and everything in it, delete some panels, adjust the whole array, and then you go on and type in the loads. The good thing here is all the loads are already drawn by the location that we have defined. As we mentioned before, it is based on Google Maps, so the program knows where we are planning this program right now, and it is already drawing the wind loads, the snow loads, according to where we plan this project. So in the end, when we have the result, we will see the verification of the system, and this is of course what we want to see. Everything is in order, and the project can be realized like we planned it. And what we can see here is in kilogram how much ballast we need to put on this system, because this system is not fixed to the roof, it is only ballasted. So we will give you a detailed ballast plan, how much ballast, how much weight you need to put on underneath the panels. In the end, we jump over to the summary, have a detailed bill of material with all article numbers, so you know exactly what kind of components you need to realize this project. And now the good thing, you can generate a PDF report that is giving you all the statistical proof, summarize everything that your owner of the building or the architect needs to know. And then this is what the PDF looks like. And now the best feature that we are really proud of this year is the connection of our tool base to the designing tool of SolarEdge. So this is the first time and really an innovative idea that we present here this year at the Intersolar, that you can do the whole mechanical planning, including the statics and everything, in combination with the electrical string planning of an inverter manufacturer. So here, with this click, with one click, you're taking over all the details that you have put in here to plan the mechanical structure. They will be taken over, and you're leaving the K2 world now and going into the SolarEdge world now. But as I mentioned, everything is there already, and you can continue planning. So all in all, you can have the mechanical planning in our tool, the electrical planning in SolarEdge tool, and all your, basically your whole project is done.
Hi. The inverter sales, the inverters, or only mechanical? Only mechanical? Or the
Inverter, exactly. So you do the mechanical planning with the statics.
Can you repeat the answer?
So the question was whether we can do the electrical planning. So yes, you can do this with the tool of SolarEdge. So you do the mechanical planning in our tool, and then with one click you take over all the information to go into the planning tool of SolarEdge and do the electrical planning there. Thank you very much for your visit, and enjoy the show.
Marco, thank you very much.